Hi guys, I'm here with Simone,
Ciao Ale.
good cousin. So we are really interesting conversation which is happening all the time that we talk between passionate and professional people. It can only be interesting conversation. So we're talking about a lot of simplicity of things and different steps to achieve goal. But one of the most important thing is doing the right things and being consistent. It's better to do little things.
Yeah, then doing incredible things, but not for a consistent period. In the end, you don't have to search some incredible challenge, but step by step, simplicity and easy, you can reach your goal.
Yeah, because we all an example. Simone is a great example. Like, how long have you been cycling for?
Yeah, but now it's a lot of years. It's almost 10 years. I'm professional rider, but I started 13, 14 years old. So it's not about incredible training or a lot of incredible strange efforts, but the consistency to stay on the bike a lot of hours and hours, and then you improve yourself.
And the most important thing is when you have big goals in your career, obviously the first year you can expect to achieve that. It's a lot of consistency in time. It takes a lot of time, and the mindset of how you approach every single thing. There are so many factors. It's not enough that you train right. You're gonna eat right. You're gonna think right. You're gonna surround yourself with the right people and not surrounding yourself with the wrong people. That's very important.
Yeah.
They bring your energy down. But another crucial, vital thing that I would say is be able to improve no matter what every single day. There is always something to learn.
Yeah. The important, you can really think about big goal, big things, but in practical, you have to do small steps, step by step, and then everything has to be planned, to be always on the way to reach your goal. So in the end, I think doing what you have to do is the most important things, and the right mindset makes the difference.
And that's one of the things that I love the most of having conversation even with Simon, because we both grow so much. Well, I feel that every conversation is teaching me something.
Yes, we must be adaptable also, because it's important what we are doing. For sure you are on the right way, but then you have to be ready for change something, because every time you have to improve yourself, and doing the same things, it works for a period, but then you have to always think about growing. So to grow, you have to be adaptable and challenge yourself day by day.
So get out of your comfort zone and take a different action so you can have different results. Ciao.
Ciao.